Hello sir, let me introduce myself. My name is Desna Matanari. My ID number is 21070502. So in this change, I would like to explain about the case of speech sounds. Before explaining that, let me know you what is phonetics and phonology. Phonetics deals with the production, transmission, and perception of speech sounds by humans, often without prior knowledge of the language being spoken. And phonology is about patterns of sounds, especially different patterns of sounds in different languages. So the case of speech sound, it means that some problems or errors that faced some people when learning a language like English. So the case of speech sound that I want to explain that is analysis of English pronunciation errors in Bataknese. I want to find out about how to pronounce English sounds for people whose first language background is Bataknese. I choose the Bataknese because many people in my village have difficulty of speaking in English. So before we know about pronunciation problems in Bataknese, we have to know what are phonology of Bataknese. So the consonant Bataknese are M, B, S, P, T, N, L, D, R, J, K, G, and H. And the vowels are A, I, U, E, O. So some people whose first language background is Bataknese have difficulty pronouncing like th, z, ch, v, f, j, like z, like that, because the phonemes do not found in the Bataknese. So Bataknese people have difficulty to pronouncing that. So when I analysis some problems, there are some problems or error in the Bataknese, like when they say about they, because there's no th in the Bataknese, so they will replace it like Thai, and like from, because there's no f in the Bataknese, so they will replace it pram, p, f menjadi p, and like van, because there's no v in the Bataknese, so they will replace it pan, and like church, they will replace it like church, because there's no sh in the Bataknese, so they will replace it like so, and so on. So we know that there are problems like that we can found in the Bataknese. So another problem is to differentiate which is English long vowels and short vowels are significant phonemically in English sound, because there are no long vowels and short vowels in the Bataknese. So native speaker of Bataknese is confused to differentiate it. So when Bataknese people learn about learning English, so they will confused about what are long vowels and short vowels, and like that. So I think that's all from me, sir. Thank you for your attention.